Hi, I'm McGillicuddy Mathews of Miller and Mathews Attorneys at Law. And if there's three things that I love in the US of A, it's one, eating like a pig. Two, watching the Dallas Cowboys lose every year in and year out. And three, getting you off. Legally speaking, of course.
Help, I've got hurt on the job. Help, Miller and Mathews, please save me.
Here at Miller and Mathews, we're able to take a wide range of cases from anything. Public masturbation. You want that house that your grandma's living in and says that she's going to give it to you when she dies, but she hasn't croaked yet? Hey, we know a guy.
Let me tell you something. I've been against the wall. I've been against the wall a couple of times, just like this. You're spread. My feet are spread. There's no need to feel like that to demoralize you. It doesn't matter. It's a free country. Yours to be able to snort as much nut as you want. It's your teeth, your mechanism. Call Miller and Mathews.
It's late one night, and you've been partying with your friends, so you decided to call up that little escort service. Too bad the next morning that you wake up, Vicky's over in the corner dead. How did that happen? You don't know. We don't know either. But we know a guy that can get you off, legally speaking.
Hey, this is me on a luau. I'm having a good time. Don't you wish you was me? You can be if you win a case by calling Miller and Mathews.
If you know a guy, we know an even better guy. If the law wants to throw the book at you, we'll throw an even bigger book at them. Give us a call. 1-800-Miller and Mathews. Did you get hurt on the job and it's your fault and you know it's your fault? Don't say that shit out loud. Come to us, Miller and Mathews. Keep it on the download and we'll make sure that you get that settlement nice and clean. Of course, with us getting to like maybe 20% of the profit, but we'll talk about that in the next. Let's see. Don't think that we're good lawyers? Check out this waterfall. You don't see waterfalls like that in everybody's lobby. That's because at Miller and Mathews, we've won at least 8 cases out of the 12 weeks that we've been lawyers. Hey! Has the war on Ukraine given you serious migraines, anxiety, issues of going to sleep in the dark? It's alright. Miller and Mathews is here to protect you as God-fearing Americans. We believe in our constitutional rights, even though those commie fucks over there in Russia don't believe in it. It's not going to happen to you. Give us a call, Miller and Mathews.
We made Putin be Putin.
Putin be Putin. You scared as shit. Now you're probably thinking, Miller and Mathews, you guys have got clients out the wazoo. How do you keep up with it all? Sticky notes, of course. Office Depot, we got an account for that. Lowe's, Home Improvement, we got an account for that.
We can't max out our credit card without you.
Look at that. That needs to be money.
I got a note for you. Somebody called, said that he's getting summoned to court for 3 kids that he bastardized 2 weeks ago. Bitches want alimony. Bitches also want child support of $600 a week. What goddamn American can afford $600 a week? Well, he called us. And now McGillicuddy's taking the case. His name's Steve. Steve needs our help. McGillicuddy, what are you going to do for Steve?
We're going to save you from that bitch Pam, Steve.
Take that shit to trial, man. 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 Take that shit.
We'll take anything to trial for you. Like do Miller and Mathews, attorney at law. Boom, and then it breaks in, and we're like, oh yeah, oh yeah.
To lay a smackdown on the attorneys of law offices, Edwards and Emerson. Edwards and Emerson, we're calling you out, brother. Tell them McGillicuddy.
Ooh, McGillicuddy Mathews here, and you know what really pisses me off, Peter?
What pisses you off?
The law, and how you can get away with this and that. But if you give us a call, Miller and Mathews, we'll get you off. Legally speaking, of course.
And this weekend only, we are giving a 25% off the steak deal. Tell them about that, McGillicuddy.
I don't even know what the hell this guy just said.
25% off, McGillicuddy.
40% off if you come right
Oh,
now.
he's down for the count.
That's a 1, 2, 3, brother. Tap out.
Oh, okay. It looks like. Did I spill some milk on you? Sorry, buddy.
Mathews, a Miller.
I like to go chase a moose. Hey.
I'm gonna win this case. Well, I know how I'm gonna win this case. It's simple. There is no case without Miller and Mathews. We are the case.
And we will throw the book of the law right back at the law.
That's right. We'll hit him in the goddamn mouth with it.
And the diaphragm.
And the nuts.
Something that hurts.
Or pussy bone.
Hey, a cooter punch ain't never hurt nobody except for a cooter.
Hey, man, equal rights, equal stripes.
These hands are rated E for everyone.